Welcome to Nancy Ogbebor TV, where cooking is made easy. Here we prepares all kind of Africa and intercontinental dishes. Stay with us and remain blessed.
Hello beautiful people, hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this easy back to school snacks and you're gonna love this recipe. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So in my bowl I'll add in 2 eggs and I whisk the eggs before putting it into my bowl. Next I'm gonna be adding in sugar, salt and margarine. Okay, so I'm gonna be mixing this, so just go ahead to mix this just the way I'm doing it. So it's gonna be looking as if it's not gonna mix, but just keep mixing it just the way I am doing. So I have to just leave it on so you see how it is, so you will not like, what did this woman show us? Just keep watching what I am doing and how it's going to be looking when you are doing yours too. So this is what I'm going for. I'll go ahead to add in my corn flour and I'm going to be doing this batch by batch. So I'm going to be doing this in batches. I'll do half, I'll keep the remaining one, I'll stir and come back with the next one. So I'm going to be mixing this until I get a smooth consistency. See, at this point, don't be tempted to add in water or any liquid. This recipe does not require any liquid in it, okay? Go ahead to mix it. That's why I had to leave this video the way it is so that you will see how tough this is becoming, but don't add any water. Keep mixing just the way you are seeing me doing and you will have a very fluffy and smooth texture the way you are just seeing it now. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, share to your families and loved ones and stay connected. So I'm done and see how fluffy this is. Next we'll go ahead to transfer it into a piping bag and I'll be using this hack. And this is the piping bag. I'm going to be cutting it and I'll transfer the mixture into the piping bag. I'm going to be using this cup hack so it will help me transfer the batter easily into the piping bag. So just stay, watch and see what I'm doing.
Sing it loud, you already know. Nancy Ogbebor TV, let's go. Hey, hey, let's go, let's go. Hey, Nancy Ogbebor TV, let's go. Oh, hey. Welcome to the kitchen, come and cook with me. Tasty little wonders on your screen for free. From grandma's pot to something new, spicy, rich and fresh for you. Chop it, mix it, make it shine. Add some love in every line. One more taste to see it through. Share this meal from me to you. Stir it, fry it, cook it well. Every recipe has a story to tell. Easy steps, flavors so true. On Nancy Ogbebor TV, I'm cooking with you. Stir it, fry it, feel that groove. Every little bite will make you move. From local place to something new. On Nancy Ogbebor TV, it's all for you. Sizzle in the pan now, color on the plate. Simple, quick and cheerful. You don't have to wait from early breakfast to late night stew. Every show.
So this is what I got now. I just arranged it. So I'm going to show you what I've gotten when I'm done. Okay, so this is how it is looking in my piping bag. So I'll go ahead to cut where I am showing you now. That's where I'm going to cut, okay? So sorry, I didn't know my recorder stopped recording when I did the first and the second badge. So this is the third badge. So all you need to do is pipe and cut. Just pipe, cut, keep piping and cutting until you are done. Okay, please don't overcrowd this pan.
Tasty little wonders on your screen for free. From grandma's pot to something.
And this is okay.
Spicy,
Sorry for
rich and
this
fresh
camera shaking. I had to move this pan to the smallest size of my cooker so it wouldn't get burnt. So I'm gonna be flipping over until I get the desired brownness that I am going for. Do same to yours. See, the snacks is very addictive. You're gonna love this, and your kids are definitely going to love this. So you can add this to the list of your snacks you give to your kids and they will thank you. This can also serve as a small side hustle if you want. So this is how it is going. Just keep watching.
Cook along, don't watch alone. Turn your kitchen to a happy home. Sing it loud, you already know. Nancy Ogbebor TV, let's go. Hey, hey, let's go, let's go. Hey, Nancy Ogbebor TV, let's
So
go.
this is what I got and I'm okay with it. So I'm gonna be transferring it from my oil to a paper towel so it will drain off the oil. And I am done. So you continue until you've exhausted all your mixture. And this is what I got. You just have to package it the way you want, however you want it, and we are done. Try this recipe and let me know what you think about this video, and I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye bye.